for Mount Pearl South.
Mr. Speaker, while Minister Manning was a review commissioner with the Workplace Health Safety Compensation Review Division, none of the 19 reviews assigned to her were completed within the required 60 days. Although Minister Manning and the Premier say this is not an uncommon problem, that does nothing to help the injured workers affected. I ask the Minister of Service NL, have these 19 outstanding cases now been dealt with, and if not, when will this important work be completed?
The Honourable the Premier.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I can tell you the work to complete those cases is underway by the Workplace Health and Safety Compensation Review Division. I can also point out to the member opposite that we recognize that there are issues and backlogs in the Review Division. I know that just a few short years ago there was a larger backlog, and when I was Minister of Service NL and Minister responsible for Workplace Health and Safety Compensation Commission, I took steps to deal with that backlog, and we did. There's a significant shorter backlog now than there was just a few short years ago, and the discussions that I've had with the Chief Commissioner as well as with the Minister is that we reflect on the fact that we have to do a better job and we have to make more improvements to shorten this wait list even further, and that work is underway.
The Honourable Member for Mount Pearl South.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Well, the answer that we're working on it is of little comfort to the injured workers requiring to have their cases heard. Mr. Speaker, while the unelected minister's outstanding caseload is disturbing enough, we are told that there is in fact 150 cases outstanding at the Workers' Comp Review Division. I ask the Minister, how do you plan to address the systemic issues responsible for these unacceptable delays?
The Honourable the Premier.
I'm not sure if the Minister or the member opposite got my last answer, Mr. Speaker, because I think I addressed some of that, but I'll be pleased to address it again. We've already taken steps to shorten the wait list. There are some, what I would see as systemic issues in the Review Division of Workplace Health and Safety Compensation Commission, and Mr. Speaker, these reviews are important to injured workers. No, I get that, and we get that as a government, and we want to make sure that we can provide the best services possible to injured workers who are looking for reviews of their files. And that's why I've instructed the Minister of Service NL, and I've had a conversation with the Chief Review Commissioner, that they work together and bring forward recommendations to government so that we can review what options are available and we can take steps to correct those backlogs.